Ladies and gentlemen, your trusted real estate broker, Lankri, broadcasting to you live from this beautiful estate located at 3107 Millmar Drive in East Dallas, close to shopping center, close to the Arboretum, close to the major highways, Dallas downtown, uptown, White Rock Lake. You've got to see it to believe it. Join me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. This outstanding property featuring pretty much everything is completely brand new. From the floor to the ceiling, all the light fixtures, outstanding brand new kitchen that was installed over here, fresh paint, new windows, I've got to say, all the mechanicals, AC, new roof, gutter system, and I do have a beautiful special surprise for you when we are ready to show you this beautiful backyard. But I want you to join me to see this magnificent brand new kitchen that was completely constructed into this property with sleek, beautiful quartz design on this beautiful island, matching bookshelf with a backsplash, faucets, undermount stainless steel sink, all the stainless steel appliances, just outstanding. The new windows, as I said, the sliding door, all brand new. The light fixtures, all brand new. This area of the breakfast nook that's facing the kitchen. Also, you walk towards a beautiful and ample space of storage and the utility room just in front of it. Just so much to list. You need to book your appointment today and you've got to see it. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready to tone it down a little bit and get ready for shower and sleep? Follow me. Beautiful. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Yes, and again, fully remodeled. Bedroom number 3. And for the cherry on the top, the master bedroom. This gorgeous, beautiful bedroom with an ensuite. Along with it, such a wonderful and beautiful layout with a split bedroom layout space of this gorgeous property. Common bathroom, let's not forget. Absolutely. And I have a question for you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready to swim? Join me to the pool. Ladies and gentlemen, it's pool time. This outstanding property, yes, this gorgeous covered patio was just constructed 6 months ago, beautiful and brand new, stamping concrete, and this outstanding, gorgeous deck that connected directly to this gorgeous, beautiful pool. Swimming, enjoying, unbelievable for entertainment. We're situated on a 1/4 acre lot, so there's so much beautiful space where you can, enjoy of entertainment, and for guests and friends and family that are coming over. Just outstanding supreme property in the middle of the city of Dallas. Don't waste your time. Contact the Lankri agency today. Lankri, a trusted real estate broker. Book your appointment personally with me. I know this property really well, so don't waste your time. Someone will take it very quick. It's not going to last long. Call us today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you at the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, your trusted real estate broker, Lankri, broadcasting to you live here from this magnificent property located at 3107 Millmar Drive, East Dallas. Literally floor to ceiling remodeling. Everything here is brand new, interior and exterior. Are you ready to be amazed? You've got to see it. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you have to say about this spacious layout? From the foyer to the living room, to this outstanding brand new magnificent kitchen. Quartz countertops complemented on the top with beautiful matching backsplash. Brand new cabinets with soft, beautiful closing. Stainless steel appliances. So much to this, as I said. Magnificent, artistic design. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the pool? Come on. This beautiful attached deck that faces this gorgeous property and this outstanding large pool where so many of the family members and your friends can all swim together. This property is unbelievable and you have got to book your appointment today. Call us today, the Lankri Agency. You've got to see it to believe it.